Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to buy and sell on pump.fun. First, navigate to the pump.fun website in the web browser. Here, create your new account or log in if you have an account. Then click on your profile, shown at the top